Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So today in this, we are going to provide you the solution for this linear question. Applied technology. INC produces bicycle frames using two fiberglass materials. The improvement that improve the strength to weight ratio to the frames. The cost of the standard grade material is 7.5 per yield and the cost of professional grade material is $9 per yard. So they have provided the constants here, and they also asking the question in 5 parts. First one is to formulate the linear program to determine the number of yards, and then second one is to use a graphical solution to determine the feasible reason. And power part C, we need to compute the total cost at each extreme point and the optimal solution. Then in the next part, they have reduced the inventory, and we will need to see the optimal solutions after changes. And for the fifth part, the distributor for the lowers the price for the professional grade material to 7.4 per yield. So we again need to provide the optimal solution for the changes, and what's the effect even lower price for the professional grade have the optimal solution. So we need to explain this one also. So I've used Excel solver to provide the solution for each and every parts. So let's go to the part A, where we need to provide the minimum cost solution. So we have taken two variables. First is S and the other one is P. S denotes 2 yards of the standard grades material per frame, and for P, yards of the professional grades material per frame. Now we are using minimum. So 7.5 plus S plus 9P. This is what the formulation is. Then we have decision variables, and sorry, this is P and this is S. And we have constants C1, C2, and C3. That's carbon fiber. They all are taken from the question itself. So these constants have been taken automatically when we've used Excel solver, and they have been taken from the question automatically. And then this one is the carbon fiber. Then second one is the Kevlar, no more than 10% of the 30 yards. And then third one is total 30 yards. So this is the comparison operators we have used. After then, we are going to have the minimum profit 7.5 and 9. And then this is the final solution we have arrived. So here, this is arrived by using Excel solver and some Excel formulas. And here, this is the part B. These all are the constants variables. And upon using this one, these all are the constants C1, C2, and C3. And we have plotted a graph using Excel. So here, this is the total value, and then this is the extreme points. This is the feasible region here, and this is the extreme point. This is the carbon fiber. For part C, as in mentioned in the question, we need to provide the extreme points. So these all are the extreme points, and the optimal solution is S equals to 15 and P equals to 15. For part D, since optimal solution does not change, so this is the part D solution. So we have the cost is reduced, where we have made the changes to 8. So it reduced to 232.50. And this is the solution for part E. Now, to get this Excel solution, I will be providing my Gmail and my WhatsApp number in the description part of this video. So you can just get in touch with me, and I will be share you the solution. And I hope you will enjoy this video. So thank you. and have a great day. Bye bye.